Dear follower, welcome on Catalin Capital channel. Let's make money, and today the opportunity for me next to come, if you want to make real money, is absolutely Avalanche crypto. So let's examine this amazing crypto over here. So this is the weekly chart, and as you can see, for me it's still starting from here in an uptrend. So easy, no? And let's go. Wow, super amazing. It was at 146.47, the super all-time high, and then look over here, down to 13. Okay, doesn't matter, let's concentrate on making our money. So weekly chart gives us a very beautiful picture where is Avalanche today. Next, let's move to a daily chart every day, and here we are. Simple, no? Look, really simple. We have a low here in January 2022 at around 50. So we are getting to understand the move of this Avalanche crypto right here in this area. And it's simply amazing because, as you can see here, there's a support, so someone jumped in buying a lot of crypto, and then down again. So this is the resistance. Next step is reaching area of 30, but it shows me that don't want to go there right now. We have a red candle, so it's going at least at this level over here, probably down with the stop losses of the idiots around 11 or 10. Then from there it's going to make three times the money you invested, so 10 going to 30. This is the crypto Avalanche, and this is Catalin. Thank you for watching.